In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up the Arkscan USB label printer on a Windows computer. To get started, we need to make sure that the USB cable is plugged into both the computer and the back of the printer, and that the printer is powered on with a blue light on top. Let's begin by opening a web browser and going to the website arkscan.com/driver. To download the print driver, click on the Windows drop-down list and then click on the Download Standard Driver for Windows link. Depending on your browser, the download status will show in different locations. Chrome is in the bottom left. Firefox is the top right. Edge is also in the top right. After the completion of downloading the file, click in the browser to open the file, or go to your download folder and double-click to open the file 2054A Seagull printer driver. Once the installer is opened, accept the terms, Next, Next again, uncheck the Read Instructions box, click Finish. A Windows warning dialog may pop up at this point, or it could blink in your taskbar. It may also ask you to type in your computer's username and password. Or you can just hit Yes to continue installation. At this next step, choose Next. At this point, the driver should be able to detect the printer, and you can hit Next. However, if you encounter the spinny magnifying glass and are unable to click Next, it would most likely be one of the following reasons. The USB cable between the printer and the computer was not fully plugged in. Please unplug the USB cable from both the printer and the computer, and then plug them back in. After that, turn off the printer and turn on the printer again. Second, the driver for this particular printer has already been installed. Please go to Printer and Scanner within the control panel, or Windows Settings, and if the printer is listed there, then please continue to watch for further instructions. The Windows printing service is not working properly. Try restarting the computer and to run the driver installation again, and see if that makes a difference. Lastly, if you are still having this issue, please see the video link in the description for further assistance. We can now continue the installation. Click Next. For the printer name, you can leave it as the default, or give it a name that you prefer. I'm going to name mine Arkscan 2054A. And if you want to make this your default printer, then leave this box checked. I am going to uncheck it. Click Next, then Finish. Lastly, click Close. The driver is now installed for your Arkscan label printer. Just a few more things before we finish. In the Windows search box, or magnifying glass, depending on your version of Windows, start typing the word printer, and printers and scanners will appear. Click on the icon, look for the Arkscan 2054A printer, or whatever name you gave yours from a few steps ago. Click on Manage, Printing Preferences, Page Setup tab, Advanced Options, Driver Options at the top. Click the checkbox next to Disable User Defined Page Size. Click Apply, then OK. Under Stock Name, select the 4x6 size. Apply and OK. This will set the driver for printing 4" by 6" labels. Now that the printer and driver are ready, we can test print a sample 4x6 label by clicking on this link, or by going to arkscan.com/sample. Make sure you have run the printer calibration before printing See the link below on how to run printer calibration. Let's print a 4x6 sample shipping label. There are different ways to print depending on which web browser you are using. In Chrome, you can click on the printer icon in the top right. Edge also has a printer icon in the top right. Firefox, you can click on the icon or go up to File and choose Print. Now that we have the print dialog open, let's first verify that Arkscan is selected as the printer. In paper size 4x6, fit to printable area, or adjust scale percentage to fit. Usually it's 100%. Now we can hit print and verify. If a single label printed and fills up the entire label, your printer works properly. And if you want guidance on setting up how to print with a particular printing platform, visit this link to see more information.